Richie's pilot tips. We're looking at flight bags, and we're going to be talking about survival kit. We need to be prepared for any kind of unplanned wilderness scenario, and I have some very specific items I like to carry depending on the season. Let's have a look at those. So firstly, I want to show you some of the clothing items I carry in my flight bag. This is a waterproof jacket. These are gaiters. They stop the mud and the water getting up your pants if you're walking. This is a full set of thermal clothing and a good quality pair of wool socks in a dry bag. This scarf is a chamois. This works for all kinds of purposes. We got a mosquito head net and we got a wool balaclava. So these items are going to help me making a shelter. This is a reflective sleeping bag. This is a poncho. You can use that to make a roof or wear it if it's raining. Got some extra paracord here. Now, this is a parang. This is a folding saw. This is a hatchet. Only carry these items if you're trained in using them, but they can be really handy in making a shelter out of all natural resources. If you're going to carry any of them, carry this one. So these final items, here we've got fat wood. That's going to get your fire going really easily. Got a glow stick. A survival guide is always a good thing to have, with a pencil and a notepad. A map of your local area and a compass. Here's some hockey tape, that's good for repairing clothes. Got some extra paracord. This is trailblaze tape in case you decide to move. These are signal flares. I've got some water purification tablets. I've got a pan for boiling water. I've got a roll-out pouch for carrying water, and I've got one of these water filters.